The Oppo's latest mid-range smartphone called Oppo F29 Pro is now official in India, with armor shell body. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo F29 Pro features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. And the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo F29 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 15 out of the box, with Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.5 by 74.9 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo F29 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 29,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in granite black and marble white color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from April 1st. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo F29 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.